Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram feeds, unfollow and follow bugs easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then go to apps again. Now once you find feeds here, click on it and then go to permissions. Now make sure to give it all the permissions that you will find here. Then force stop it, go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now just try to turn off your Wi-Fi, and after that open the application and then turn it on again when you are inside the application. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just try to uninstall it and install it again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.